Hi guys, I'm Johnny and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make apple crumble. Apple crumble is one of my favorite fall desserts. So if you went apple picking or if you have extra apples in the counter, it is time for you to make this delicious dessert. So let's get started. So guys, in this large bowl, I have my apples. So I am using Granny Smith apple. Personally, I do not like using these apples because they're not sweet enough for me, but my supermarket didn't have big apples. I mean, these were the only big apples that they had, and I really wanted the big apples. So this is what I'm using. So you're gonna peel your apples and you're gonna cut them into squares, like small pieces. And after that, you're gonna add some flavoring. So I'm gonna add some sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla extra. The vanilla extra is optional, but if you like extra flavor, you should add it. I'm gonna mix everything together. So you're also gonna add some flour. I almost forgot. Mix it all together. And what the flour does is that it thickens the juices so it doesn't become a mess and everything comes together. So once you mix your apples, just set it aside, and in a different bowl, we're going to make our crumbly topping. So I'm gonna add some oats. I really like to use raw oats, old-fashioned oats, but I didn't have, so I'm just using quick cooking oats. Add some all-purpose flour, some cinnamon, salt, and I almost forgot to add the sugar. Also add some brown sugar. Mix everything together until well combined, and after that, we're going to go ahead and add our butter. Make sure the butter is nice and cold, so I cut it into small pieces, and using my fingers, I'm going to rub in the butter with the dry ingredients until it is nice and crumbly. You can use a pastry cutter, which I have one, but I cannot find it, so I have to use my hands. So just mix it just like this, and after that, transfer your apples into a baking dish, and then distribute all the crumble on top. And we're gonna bake these at a 375-degree Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes until everything's nice and golden brown on top and the apples are nice and cooked inside. After 45 minutes, I'm gonna take my apple crumble out of the oven and I'm gonna let it rest for at least 10 minutes on the counter and then eat it up. So you can have this with ice cream, vanilla ice cream, butter pecan ice cream, or just by itself. It is so delicious and I think everybody will love it. Okay, I'm gonna have some of my crumble now. So good, guys. So the apple keeps the shape and some of the texture, which is really good. That's why this apple is really good for baking. It is so flavorful, fall in a plate. I really hope you get to try this recipe. It will be in the description box. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.